It can be hard when they first come in, but put yourself in their shoes. They'd have already been to A&E or EAU, or before that have been brought in from a care home probably. Imagine then how confusing it must be when every few minutes you lose your memory. So yeah, they can be agitated, aggressive even, which is distressing to see someone that old being restrained by security. But that's why it's so lovely when they start to settle down, get to know the nurses and calm down. And the memory boxes, they're amazing for that. The deputy sister, she makes them up, like things from the 1950s, clothing, period dresses, and it's like time travel then, talking to them. Well, because those things, they take them there so suddenly back to their lives. And that's when I got a first glimpse of who we had in those beds. And that's why I like the talking. Mostly when we wash them, in the bath or shower. It's the best time to bring up the past and the present too. You know, get to know them or see what's going on at home. But yeah, those boxes, they work a treat. Isn't it funny? When the thing that gets them so lost, their memory, is what can find them again.